Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, before we draw this week's channel shout out, we got ourselves a mail call from a bro. I know who it's from. Volley Theory has a new sticker, there we go. That's a cool sticker, brother. Of course, this sticker is right here. Why is it every time? So I'm gonna have to put your sticker. It's gonna go right here next to this one. Well, maybe right there, next to Dave Coulier. I'll read your note off camera. Go ahead and do a vicious shake till we get a good mix. And we've got Chris's Variety Channel, which is, I'll have to get together, I'll have to zoom up, but it's Chris Stone now, so he's going by first and last name. Awesome guy. Don't see much of his channels anymore, but here's his channel sticker right here next to Brussels Outdoors. Cool guy. I think Adventure Roads is just squeezing in. Muskrat Gym. Calzona Outdoors. Oh, I guess you can't see that. Donna Dream Creations and Adventures. I guess I'm all over the place right now. So, the legend, Ron T. Sawyer. Shalisa Shell. Black and White Fire Starters. Fab Creations. I haven't seen anything from you, Bruce. I hope you're doing alright. Alright, there's a button. Kind of clashes with the blue background, but it shows up pretty nice overall with the yellow lettering. So Volley Theory, Dave Coulier Camping, Volley Theory again, Harshman Hills, DC Outdoors, Expeditionary Johnny. So he's in good company with some awesome guys. Thank you, brother. Don't forget to check out Chris Stone. He'll be linked down in the description. Well, there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description, and there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you, and I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.